Blogging isn't what it used to be. You don't need hours to plan content, add images, tweak formatting, or research keywords. Autoblogging.ai, all of it happens in one go. Article, layout, visuals, SEO, infographics, all done in under minutes. And in this video, I'll show you how I generated a complete blog using nothing but one title and fewer clicks. Once you log in into autoblogging.ai, on your left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. It gives you full control without needing to remember every setting. So for the article title, I'm going to type 12 insider tricks for capturing stunning landscape photos. For the language, I'm going to keep it English, but you also have 30 language options available. So if your audience read in Spanish, German or French, you can set that here in seconds. For the length, I'm going to choose medium because it's the right fit when you want to explain each point clearly but don't want a super long guide. Short works well for updates or a small gear tips or social focused blogs, and long is an in-depth guide or an SEO pillar content. Here I'm going to select listicle because this blog is all about individual tips, but here's what other styles do. Informative is best if you want to teach something step by step. Places focus on location based content, and service bar landing pages is ideal if you offer a workshop or a photography service. The tone, I'm going to pick second person. It feels like I'm speaking directly to the readers. First person is more like a storytelling or a personal experience blog. Third person is more formal, like something you would see in magazine. For the style, I am going to prefer professional because photography readers expect clarity and credibility. But here's what other styles do. Auto lets AI choose based on your title. Less AI word sounds more human. Premium style 1 is designed for better SEO formatting. Snippet optimizer helps you get into Google's answer box. Witty is more playful. Conversational is more friendly. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes because it is like a magic to the blog. Intense optimized article, it boosts the structure and SEO of the blog. Add FAQs will auto-generate questions from Google. Add AI images will add relevant images with alt text. And add infographics will add simple visuals. SERP analysis. Now autoblogging scans top blogs for this particular topic and builds your article based on what's already ranking. I'm just going to enable this, and in the source context box you can write how you want your article to be and also select the country where you need to rank first. Over here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition follows layouts from the top blogs. External link will add sources like camera gear sites or an expert article. YouTube video will add YouTube relevant photography tutorials, and key takeaways will add a summary at the end of your blog. AI proofreading. Now if you want a quick polish before publishing, just enable this and leave a quick note, let's say keep the tone expert but friendly. And next, internal linking. Now if you've got other blogs like lens review or camera comparison, just enable this and paste your domain here. Autoblogging will automatically link this article to your blogs. It boosts SEO and keeps your user on site for longer. Human proofreading. Now if you want a real person to review your blog, just turn this on. A quick note, let's say check facts or ensure clarity for beginner photographers. So for this you need a human proofreading credit, which you can grab those from your dashboard. Now hit on the generate article, click on the history tab and scroll down and click on the view like icon here. Your blog is fully ready with layouts, images, SEO and infographics, FAQs with the relevant YouTube video. Here's a quick tip. If you want to be faster next time, and you can go to quick single, It's just as same as Wizard but with fewer clicks, and you can also use a bulk generate option where you can upload 10 to 100 titles and generate blocks for all at once. You can even auto post directly to WordPress. Creating content in photography niche takes time. With autoblogging.ai, you're skipping the setup and going straight to publish. And if your schedule is packed with editing, shoots, or client work, try our Done For You blog service where we'll handle the writing while you grow your audience. If you like the video, then drop your next blog topic below and I'll show you how to build that one. Hit a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.